Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, man? Sorry, I just had to reach down here and grab this sneaker that we're discussing today. But basically, we're going to be getting into the upcoming Miro Air Jordan 7, which keep in mind, y'all can see we got a lot of extra laces with these. Here's a better view of the actual shoe, and we're going to do a full deep dive and on-feet review right now. And basically, what we're discussing about the sneaker is just what it looks like, everything we kind of got with the shoe, retail price, all that, and basically the upcoming Nike release, which is on July 10th on sneakers. So make sure you guys do not miss out on this shoe. Of course, the retail is very high, so prices have pretty much already gone under retail, which makes sense. I was kind of wondering why Nike retailed this shoe for so much. That was probably the biggest mistake with this sneaker. Like, they're still gonna, of course, sell out of them, I imagine, but it's, just realistically not gonna flip for as much. But still a great pair right here, man. A super unique Jordan 7, and let's dive into it. Again, if you guys do want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for here on the channel is 300 likes. If we could do that, that'd be great. If not, again, everything else I've mentioned is linked down below in that pinned comment. You guys can check that out. My Instagram page is the TikTok Labs, of course. Over there, we do tons of streetwear auctions, so if everyone would come cop some streetwear off us, we just got tons of new Supreme in, and we got some stuff coming in this weekend too, so get ready for that, guys. Hope to see you over there. And is there anything else that I'm forgetting? No, I don't think so. But if there is, again, check out the, I think the blue tile SB giveaway. We're posting that today or tomorrow on my Instagram. So if you want to enter for a free pair of blue tile SBs, go to my giveaway. It'll be the most recent reel I posted. And I hope you guys will enjoy. See you there. And yeah, let's get into breaking down the Miro Air Jordan 7. Coming soon. So as you guys can see, we'll get into the shoe here in a second, right? But starting off, we got that normal kind of MJ face box they've been going with this year heavily, right? So that's what we got. Same thing as the UNC 5s we just had, right? But aside from that, I'm going to leave the box right here, and we're going to set the shoe on top of it. So first thing I want to break down before we get into the crazy sneaker, so you guys can see the shoe has a lot of colors. But look, we got 5 different laces. We got these yellow ones. We have these red ones. We also got these green laces right here. Keep in mind, we got all these 3 laces right here. And then on top of that, we also have, keep in mind, the blue and the black laces. So if you don't want to wear them with these standard kind of funky threaded laces we got here, y'all can see those are multiple colors. So if you don't want to rock them with those ones right there, you got those 2, and you also have these 3. So you have 5 different laces with this shoe. Maybe that's why it retailed for so much, is because all these laces, man. But aside from that, you guys can see what we got on the inside right there. That just kind of keeps the shoe nice and intact and together. Of course, while it's, going through shipping and all that. We'll, of course, put them on feet in a second. Take that out here. I can take it out right now, actually, to see if we have, right? Let's see if we have anything unique on the insole. So, just kind of that look right there. You guys can see the Jumpman. And then kind of, I guess, basketballs in all different colors, right, are kind of going up through the insole right there. So that's pretty cool. Now, aside from that, I'll just put that back in there for now, and then we'll, of course, take it out when we go to wear the shoe, right? But aside from that, taking a look at the heel right here, so you guys can see everything we got there. You guys can see the number 9. I believe that's what it says right there. Yep, of course. And it's kind of interesting, of course, that they put the number 9 back here, of course, when it is, the Jordan 7. But, I don't mind that. I think it fits perfectly well and actually looks pretty nice. And you got also that right up there. As you guys can see, pretty typical with Jordan 9s, kind of like that little hang portion by the heel right there. So, you know what I mean? If you want to just, like, I guess, hold them like this, you know what I mean? Like some basketball shoes, and there you go. You can do that. But aside from that, what we also got right here, you guys can see, I'm going to show a little more with the shoe in a second, like the soles and all that. You guys can see up there by the ankle, you guys see the Jumpman right there, that kind of black center it sits on, gold Jumpman, then everything going around the shoe. The look is super funky, man. We have tons of different colors on the shoe. You guys can see we got yellow, red, blue, green. I mean, yeah, and black right there. We have tons of different colors, man. So the shoe really stands out just based off that feature alone. We also have something else back here by the heel I want to show you guys. So kind of that red, yellow, and black look. We also got that on this side as well. So that's on both sides and on both pairs. Both the pairs are the exact same. It's not a situation where, like, each pair is unique or something like that. So just kind of remember that. And then, of course, just the overall look of the Jordan 7 right there, man. You get a really funky pair right there. The one thing I can say about these, I was excited to get these in to review because I wasn't sure if they were my style. Now seeing them in hand, I'll say they're definitely better than photos, but they aren't my style. I'll say that. These are a little too much. Like, I've never really had Jordan 7s like that, so it's one of my first pairs, and it's a little bit out there. I would probably choose to go with something more simple first, but I like the model. I do like how the sneaker looks, I'll say that. So I do like the look of the Jordan 7, but in terms of, like, this shoe in general, just a little bit out there for me, not necessarily my style. I mean, look at all the colors we got. Like, just check out the toe box and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. Like, you see that? Look at that toe box. It's crazy. So that just kind of, it gives I guess, excuse me, the kind of vibe we got with this sneaker. It's very out there. So, yeah, excuse me. But that's kind of what I can say about that. Now, I'm going to show y'all the inside of the sneakers as well. You can see that inside heel portion, then everything else there as well. Let me back up so y'all can see that. I'm also going to flip the shoe around and do a view of that for you guys. So, boom, y'all can see that right there. Of course, the laces might be a little bit in the way there, but hopefully that's a little bit better right there so you guys can see kind of everything we got with the Miro Jordan 7. And then aside from that, man, what we also got here is something on the tongue tag as well. Boom, that kind of OG. You always get this in Jordan 7s. They always spell it out like this. So this is nothing different, man. I remember this with Jordan 7s back when I was in, like, you know, just starting to really get into sneakers. So this is the same old, same old. They've never changed that. So aside from that, back when that's like the first sneakers I was seeing were like the True Blue 3s. You know, pairs like this, Jordan 7s, it was back in like 2015, 2016. So these was like some of the first pairs I got to see, right? So really cool to see some of these getting made again, right? Aside from that, there are the soles right there. You guys can see that crazy look right there. I believe that's also the same thing that we have on the insoles. I could take them out in a sec to maybe check that out if y'all want. But yeah, you guys can see that yellow back by the heel and then kind of that translucent look. Man, look at all the different colors there too. You're going to win me over with a sole like this every time. This is probably the main reason I like this shoe, bro. It's just because of the look we have by here. Or excuse me, right here on these soles. You know what I mean? Super, super clean. So definitely a big fan of that. 100% can say that. I'm going to make sure I take some pictures of these for my Instagram before I put them on and cut all the laces off here in a sec. But yeah, really love, again, that clear kind of see-through look up there. Don't mind the portion by the heel as well. I think it all looks pretty nice together. Really, really funky sneaker. All goes with, again, all the different laces we have. And it definitely goes with, well, the overall upper of the shoe as well. So definitely can mention that too. But aside from showing you all the different features we have, the funky toe box, the unique soles and the insoles, of course, and everything by the heel there too, and the top of the tongue tag, why don't we break down the sneaker in full? We're going to do a full on feet review right now. So let's hop outside. Let's show y'all what these look like on feet. I'm going to take some quick photos from my IG and then we'll do that. So yeah, let's get ready and let's review the Miro Jordan 7 on feet. Show y'all if these are comfy and what they feel like. Let's break it down. All right, so we got the Miro Air Jordan 7 out here. I mean, just take a look at these, man. They are so nice. I love all the different colors, and again, just that overall look that we got makes for a real unique pair. Check that out. Another little small detail with these, you also got like some gold lace tips, and there's like a better look at the color of the laces right there. But yeah, man, size tag too, so y'all can see that. There you go, straight from GOAT. Shout out to him. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so there's like a quick over-the-top view. As y'all can see, they actually look really nice on feet. They look a little weirder when you just kind of look at them, but when you actually put them on, they're really nice. Like I'd actually wear these around a good amount. So yeah, check this out. See what I mean? Look way better on feet than they do just holding them. You know what I mean? This is one of those shoes you actually got to put on, and then you can enjoy how nice it looks. Look at that, actually. Yeah, it's like an art piece, you know what I mean? But like, yeah, if you're just holding it, it looks weird. But if you actually put it on your feet, it looks normal, nice. So, yeah, I like this shoe. Let's do better shots right now. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this video today, and that's pretty much what I can say about the Miro Air Jordan 7. Let me get the extra laces out of the way right there. And yeah, let me know what you guys are feeling about the shoe. For me, I do like this sneaker, and I really, really like the model as well. The soles are dope as well. I think this is probably my favorite part of the sneaker and also what we got up there by the ankle. I think that look right there with all different colors is sick. And yeah, just a really unique Jordan 7. Is it my style though? Not really. Like, I'd probably give these, like, you know, it definitely is, like, for Jordan 7s, probably like an 8 or 9 out of 10, right? Very funky, very unique. The Miro's a standout. People remember them from back in the day, right? Like, this drop will have some hype, but they probably won't flip because they're retailing for $255, whatever it is, which is absurd for a Jordan 7 in 2026. All sneakers are, like, going for less than that right now. Like, most shoes are going for, like Travis Scott's are reselling, like, the lows, the ones that just dropped, for, like, 300 flat. You think these are going to go for $300 if those are going for $300? You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know what Nike's plan was. But aside from all that, it's a great shoe. I like it. I'd probably give it like a 7 out of 10 if I'm being real. So it's a good rating in my opinion. You know, it's a good, fair sneaker. Definitely a great personal pair and a solid one. I'd add to the collection. So if you guys want more content like this again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Miro Air Jordan 7 in the comments. And let me know if y'all are copping a pair of these, or if you did cop a pair of these on release day if you're watching this a little bit later. You know what I mean? And yeah. I can definitely say I enjoy this pair, man. And of course, enter the giveaway for the Blue Tile SBs on my Instagram. You can check out the streetwear auctions down below. All that is in the pinned comment, so don't miss out on that giveaway again. That'll be my most recent reel on my Instagram if I just posted that today or tomorrow. And then what else am I going to say? Yeah, the auctions on TikTok. You ever want to come cop some streetwear off us for your collection, anything like that? Come get something to go with the shoes, you know what I mean? Hey, we got you. So tons of stuff landing this week. Hope to see you guys there. We just got tons of new Supremes. So we've been running that. Yesterday's stream was amazing, so I'm thankful for you guys. Seriously, I love catching y'all from the channel, bro. It was fun too, man. The stream was so up and down yesterday, you know what I mean? Like, it was good vibes pretty much the whole time. But bro, sometimes folks be coming in and like trolling, and I'm just like, man, I can't deal with this right now. I'm so tired, so I just crash out. And then, yeah, then it gets back to normal. It's like a quick little 30-second thing, but you know how it is. It's funny. You know, I guess clippable moments, but I don't make clips like that until I maybe start streaming other stuff. We'll see if we get into that, but yeah, that's it. I'm T-Naked, guys. I love y'all. Let me know what you think about the Miro Jordan 7. And we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video, man. Peace out, squad.